Okay, I'm going to do number 5 on page 41 of the book, Chemistry Made Easy. It says, what is the mass of C3H6O2, which contains 6 times 10 to the 24 atoms of H, or hydrogen? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write, I know that one molecule of C3H6O2, in one molecule I have 6 hydrogen atoms. Right, because I see it's H6, so in every one molecule I have 6 hydrogen. Okay? So if I was given, for example, 12 hydrogen atoms, how many molecules would I have? If I have 6 hydrogen atoms in one molecule, then if I have 12 hydrogen atoms, that means I must have 2 molecules. How did you find that? Well, you found it just by dividing 12 by 6, the number of hydrogen atoms in one molecule. So if I'm given, like I am in this problem, 16 times 10 to the 24 hydrogen atoms, then how many molecules do I have? Well, I just take 16 times 10 to the 24 and I divide it by 6. That gives me the number of molecules. Here it's 2.6 repeating times 10 to the 24 molecules. Okay, so that's my first step. My end goal, I want to know how much mass I have in this number of molecules. So to get from molecules, number of molecules, to mass, first I have to get from molecules to moles. So I want to convert this number of molecules to moles of molecules. And how do I do that? Well, I use this equation, N, which N equals the number of moles, equals the number of molecules over Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay? So N equals 2.6 repeating times 10 to the 24 molecules divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules in a mole of molecules. So I'm just going to take this number, going to divide it by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and I get 4.3. We're going to round it by 4.43. Okay, 4.43. So this equals 4.43 moles. Moles of what? Moles of the molecule that we started with. So 4.43 moles of C3H6O2. Okay, but I'm not done yet. So now I have moles of the molecule, but I want to end with mass. So I need to do the equation N equals little m over big M. Now I have little n, remember this is little n, number of moles. I need to find little m. I need to figure out what big M is first, and I can do that because of the information that was given to me in the problem. So big M of C3H6O2, remember you just add up the molar masses of each individual atom in the molecule. So I have 3 carbons. In carbon, each carbon has a molar mass of 12 grams per mole, but I have 3 of them, so I need to multiply by 3. Okay, 3 carbon atoms, plus hydrogen. Hydrogen's molar mass is 1 gram per mole, but I have 6 of them in each molecule, so I need to multiply by 6. Plus oxygen. Oxygen's molar mass is 16 grams per mole, but I have 2 oxygen atoms in every molecule, so I need to multiply this by 2. Okay, I multiply and add those together. That comes out to 74 grams per mole. And that's my big M. So now I have 4.43 mole equals little m over 74 grams per mole. So I just rearrange this equation. I'm going to multiply 4.43 times 74. So I get my calculator back out. 4.43 times 74 equals, I get 327.82. 327.82 grams. And remember, just for clarity, I'm going to write grams of the original molecule, C3H6O2. It's my final answer. I'll circle it. Depending on how you round off the numbers, your decimal might be a little bit different, but it should be pretty close to 327 grams.